Grand awakening, Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage. Check out the ebooks, the NFTs, music. There's a lot of great things there for you. Your word of the day is belief. Leo, do you believe in yourself? You're the king and the queen of the kingdom. We need you to be in full effect and believe in yourself and your capabilities to uplift and lead your kingdom into this next season. I believe in myself, the beauty of life and the goodness of God. Do you? Thus I have the power to fulfill my dreams, which you do. The will of the Almighty supports me, therefore you can never lose. My life is showered with divine light. My heart opens up to the power of the universe. You've gone through the rough times, the rigors, the trials, tribulations, the obstacles. Believe in yourself. Show up, show out, execute for your community. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.